We are need. We are radical. We are the adventurer, the explorer, and the innovator. We've spent years developing gears that elevate your journeys. And this time, we've partnered with Radical to craft something different, something that takes you even farther. Whether you're mapping out a new city, blazing a rugged trail, or getting your groove on a run. Introducing Pilgrim, the all-purpose sneaker designed for long-range, all-terrain adventures. Biomechanically engineered for advanced cushioning, superior wearing comfort, enhanced protection, and reliable traction. We've designed the revolutionary Dynamics chassis, the ultimate solution for foot problems caused by prolonged, high-intensity activities. This innovative platform offers progressive cushioning with unparalleled stability. For cushioning, our synergetic buffering system integrates materials with varying densities and elasticities to provide superior shock absorption compared to traditional single material options. The dual density Synergy foam offers comfortable landings with exceptional stability, while Superfoam and Ortholite insole evenly distributes impact across the foot to mitigate accumulated fatigue. For stability, the re-engineered carbon blade converts impact into forward momentum, improving speed and efficiency. It also reinforces the entire cushioning system by enhancing overall structural stability, reducing injury risk, especially when your body is heavily loaded. Integrated heel stabilizers provide added support, reducing the risk of ankle sprains. All components work synergistically to provide optimal cushioning, stability, responsiveness, and protection. Wearing comfort is paramount. With our uniquely modified shoe last, we've created a snug, precise fit that molds to the natural contours of your feet. The slightly wider toe box provides ample space for your toes to spread naturally. Breathable jacquard fabric wicks away moisture and heat, ensuring optimal comfort. And the snap lacing system offers adaptive support that moves with your every step. Last but not least, experience superior traction and support on any terrain with our full rubber outsole and its innovative progressive grip design. We know what a good pair of footwear means to you in your journey ahead. And we sure know how to make great ones for those who never stop exploring. The adventures, the explorers, the pilgrims. Thank you for supporting us on Kickstarter.